Want to stand out at work and achieve career success? Here are top strategies to help you excel at your job. Start by setting clear, achievable goals. Define what success looks like for you and break down your objectives into manageable steps. Invest in your professional growth. Attend workshops, take courses, and stay updated with industry trends. Take the initiative and offer solutions. Being proactive shows leadership and commitment. Sharpen your communication skills. Clear, effective communication helps you collaborate better and make a strong impression. Regularly ask for feedback and use it constructively to enhance your performance. Network within your organization and industry. Strong professional relationships can lead to new opportunities. Prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively. Tools like to-do lists can help you stay organized and focused. Be consistent and dependable. Meeting deadlines and delivering quality work builds trust and credibility. Display enthusiasm and a positive attitude. Your passion can set you apart from your peers. Be flexible and open to change. Adapting to new challenges is essential in a dynamic work environment. Implement these strategies and watch your career soar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on career success.